BirchStreet Systems Accounts Payable three-way auto match, empowering you to reduce costs and improve accuracy by automating invoice processing with cutting-edge budgeting capabilities. Automatically compare receipts based on customized matching rules, allowing your staff to focus on fewer exceptions. The BirchStreet Systems solution features three-way auto matching, enabling you to automatically compare receipts accurately based on custom rules. Obtain electronic invoices, converts invoices to a digital format to eliminate data entry, while AP Payments gives you complete visibility of payment status throughout the procure-to-pay cycle. Our AP back-office accounting interface integrates directly with ERP and accounting systems. Use Tax Calculator adds use tax for international compliance with local tax laws, while Digital Signatures obtains signatures quickly to accelerate processing and increase visibility. Our AP self-service portal enables users and suppliers to view invoice or payment status, and flexible invoice entry accommodates needs when challenges arise, including manual entry. Our customers realize processing speed and efficiency gains, leading to cost savings and improved spend visibility, with a reduction in cycle time of 25%. AP labor costs reduced by more than 50%, a decrease in manual processes of 90%, and supplier payments processing achieving 100%. Discover how BirchStreet Systems Accounts Payable three-way auto match can save you valuable money and time. To request a demonstration, visit BirchStreetSystems.com.